Well, we're here in my hometown of Brighton in front of the old public school, and as you can see, the new public school being built, which with its opening date of the fall of 2012. But at the same time, even though in the old building this coming fall, September, we will see the full-day kindergarten coming to this particular school. It's one of the 15 schools that are going to have full-day kindergarten. And along in this school as well, there's a full-day a daycare center, which is provided by the community, which it really will tie in perfectly. So I'm delighted that Brighton was successful in having this brand new facility, which will provide the area with state-of-the-art education building and all its infrastructure to go along with it. I'm also proud to say that Brighton was the first family health team in the province of Ontario. And frankly, it's something that was developed around my kitchen table way before I became an MPP. And when we formed government, the Minister of the day and the Premier saw fit for this to be the very first family health team. Since then, it's expanded to be Brighton Quinte West family health team with 7 full-time physicians plus all the other allied primary health care delivery, nurse practitioner, dietitians, and so forth. Right here in Brighton, there's a new home for the OPP that, frankly, before they were working out of an old residential home. Now they have a proper state-of-the-art facility where it's a safer environment to be as well. One of the major issues that was upon us about 2 years ago was the closure of the license center here in Brighton, where people renew their licenses. Not only were we able to keep it open, we also expanded it to a full-service center where you can get your health card and all the other provincial services. Back 4 or 5 years ago, I was very fortunate to have, at that time, Minister Peters, Minister of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs, visit the McCann family farm and talk to a number of farmers, talk about local agricultural issues. And out of that particular meeting, the idea came that I should have a local advisory group from farmers to help me deal with local issues. And I'm happy to say that out of that group of very well-respected agricultural folks, not only from Brighton but from right across the riding, we're able to put together a strategy with which Northumberland County has adopted and branded proudly Northumberland Food Initiative, which is really expanding the process of roadside stands and all those kind of things, where we can have food from the farm to the table without bringing in outside food, because we know that our local farmers produce the best food anywhere. To add to that, Brighton is also home to Presqu'île Provincial Park, where the province has made some huge investment in some new picnic shelters, a new boardwalk together with the Friends of Presqu'île. And the boardwalk really goes through the marshes of Presqu'île, and the Friends of Presqu'île, with the help of the province, are able to run classes to show kids what it's like to help our environment and how do we protect our marshes and all the wildlife that goes with it. So it's been a win-win-win for the municipality of Brighton, and we're proud to continue that partnership with the local community. This is one of the areas that I enjoy the most, being in a rural part of the riding in the midst of our farming community. And I must say I'm so proud to be part of a government that, frankly, in the last 10 years has done more for the farming community than any other government before. And the list goes on and on with support for the different sectors in the last 7 or 8 years. Now with full risk management for all the different sectors, so that we know that when farmers plant their seeds or they grow their animals, if there isn't a direct market, government's there to help through the risk management program to protect the safe food that farmers are great for in this great riding in Northumberland Quinte West. The other piece that's very, very important for rural Ontario, especially Northumberland and Quinte West, is the investment that we've made in infrastructure. Some $55 million across eastern Ontario, but specifically here to Northumberland, about $1 million to make sure that every farm, every rural home is connected to today's world, 21st century, to broadband connectivity.